The OnePlus Buds Ace are the company's first truly wireless gaming headphones with noise cancellation. The OnePlus Buds Ace are the 2023 PEL recommended earphones, and they have PEL game sound effects that improve low-frequency footsteps and gunfire in games, as well as a distinctive game for peace theme pop-up window and prompt sound. The charging case has a rounded rectangular shape, a metallic pattern on the case cover, and a matte texture on the lower portion. The two materials' respective textures are highlighted by the contrast between them. Moreover, matte materials are more scratch-resistant and less likely to get fingerprint stains from regular use. The charging case's dimensions and weight are under control, and it may fit in any pocket. Behind the charging case cover, there is a built-in LED light that allows us to more easily determine the status of the earbuds. A pairing button and a Type-C charging interface are located on the charging case's back. Non-OnePlus mobile devices require the pairing button to be pressed and held for 2 seconds in order to pair while connecting, and for 15 seconds in order to roll back settings. The overall appearance of the earbuds is handle-shaped, while the stem of the headset is larger and flatter, much like the OnePlus Buds N. The touch-sensing region is the rounded area at the top of the headset stem. A noise-canceling microphone and a call microphone are mounted on the top and bottom of the headset stem, respectively. The OnePlus Buds Ace's total weight after accurate measurement is roughly 48.6 grams. Around 4.8 grams is the weight of one earbud. The in-ear form of the OnePlus Buds Ace better fits the ear canal, and the umbrella-shaped ear tips properly disperse pressure on the ears, effectively relieving strain even after extended use. It's important to note that the earbuds support IP55 dustproof and waterproof protection, so you won't have to worry about using them in situations where there may be light rain or daily liquid spills. The Bluetooth 5.3 technology used by OnePlus Buds Ace provides strong anti-interference capabilities, good compatibility, and a steady connection. The AAC codec, which can preserve more sound information during wireless transmission, is supported by the earphones. It can be instantly paired and linked when used with the OnePlus mobile phone through a pop-up window, and during future use, the device's connection status and remaining battery life will be shown through a dedicated pop-up window. Simply choose OnePlus Buds Ace from the phone's Bluetooth device list when other devices are connected for the first time to swiftly connect. To connect to a Bluetooth device that has been successfully paired, open the charging case for later usage. The performance of the mid-low frequency is significantly improved by the second-generation dual-damping independent rear chamber appearance used in the OnePlus Buds Ace. In order to deliver a clean and bright mid-treble, it is also fitted with a 12.4mm dynamic driver and a titanium-plated composite diaphragm. You can get a greatly enhanced on-site listening experience whether listening to music, viewing films, and playing games when paired with a OnePlus smartphone that supports Dolby Atmos. I chose some well-known songs at random for the actual experience sessions trial listening. The OnePlus Buds Ace have a very natural sound, and the tuning is quite balanced. There will not be any overt favoritism in the audition performance of the various songs, which is exceptional. The large-size dynamic driver emphasizes delicate low-frequency dynamic expression, rather than the boom, boom, boom sound. When experimenting with drum music, you can still feel good low-frequency intensity and richness, because of its dynamic bass compensation mechanism. Even though the low to mid-frequency transition is not ideal, the tuning bottleneck is understandable, given that these are wireless earbuds. Strong, vibrant responses that maintain dynamic extension without sacrificing low-frequency extension and transient balance expression make this track suited for the original soundtrack of movies and video games. The mid-frequency still has excellent smoothness. The human voice guarantees a sensitive timbre curve and a certain saturation density, assuring the distinction and resolution features that male and female voices should have. Mid-frequency tuning is on par with wired headphones' timbre expression as a restoration of high-definition recording. Both the vocals and the instrumental mid-frequency music have nicely displayed delicate lines and density, taking into account the tone style for extended listening and high-tempo sound field perception and restoration. Although the OnePlus Buds Ace's high frequency has exceptional brightness, it is often smooth and less dense. As a result, the timbre balance of the music is satisfied, and a variety of DSP timbre changes may be used to play the balanced timbre of the front and rear cavity of the dual-damping earbuds. The dual-core noise reduction technology in the OnePlus Buds Ace can successfully create reverse noise reduction waves, superimpose noise, and cancel noise. To enter the transparent mode, long press. The OnePlus Buds Ace can essentially match the strength requirements for regular commuting, and can even partially block noise in quiet environments. The noise reduction is on, but it hasn't affected how well the earbuds operate when playing music. The Bluetooth 5.3 low latency dual transmission used by the OnePlus Buds Ace has a lower latency of just 47 milliseconds and is more interference resistant. The experience is smoother when watching films and playing games, since the audio and graphics are in sync. During testing, it was discovered that there is actually very little latency, and that audio and video are synchronized. Moreover, the OnePlus Buds Ace includes a unique PL sound effect that, when activated, may add startling scene sound effects and improve the sound of footsteps and gunshots in games. The charging case may add an extra 29 hours of battery life when the active noise cancelling is off, bringing the total battery life to up to 36 hours. The earbuds themselves can last up to 7 hours while the active noise cancelling is off. When the active noise cancelling mode is activated, the battery life is 5 hours. Also, the OnePlus Buds Ace offers a super rapid charging capability that allows for 10 minutes of charging and 5 hours of music playback. Unlike other gaming earbuds, the OnePlus Buds Ace don't have an ostentatious appearance. The headset stem is larger and flatter, the size is smaller and more compact, and the earbuds adopt a handle-shaped in-ear structure. Without sacrificing texture or identity, the overall aesthetic is understated and straightforward. The OnePlus Buds Ace support Bluetooth 5.3 and have a 47 ms gaming low latency. Support for transparent mode, active noise cancellation, and dual microphone call noise reduction. The 12.4mm dynamic driver in the earphones supports BassWave M dynamic bass, exclusive game tuning, and other functional setups to deliver the best possible mobile entertainment experience for movies and games. What do you think about the new OnePlus earbuds? Write your opinion. Thanks for watching. See you soon.